Hi everybody, welcome to Carmine Kismet. My name is Kelly and today we are going to be making some nuiMO clothing. So if you don't know what Disney nuiMOs are, they are these cute little posable plush. They're about 8 different kinds in the United States, and then there's other ones in Japan and across the world. So we're going to be making some pants, or we're going to be trying to make some pants for Donald today. So let's just get on into it. To get started, make sure you head to our blog and download this free printable pattern for the pants. So once you download it, print it out, and then you're going to use this to cut out your fabric. You're going to also need to make sure you have your fabric, of course, some thread, a sewing machine, pins, and a scissor. Once you have everything set, you can start cutting out your fabric. And what I did here was actually fold it into 4s. So I just cut it one time and I have all the pieces that I need. Next, we're going to sew the top and bottoms of each of the pieces. So the smaller pieces, as you can see here. You're going to do a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and this is going to allow you to have those really tight seams that look really great. Next, you're going to get the 2 sides of the pants and sew them together. So you're going to sew on that long side, and you want to make sure that you have both of the right sides of the fabric facing together. So here it gets a little tricky. You're going to take your 2 pieces and have them facing right side together, and you're going to sew together one piece, but make sure you don't finish that bottom part there where the crotch is. You want to then take the other side that you have not sewed together, and you're going to finish off those edges using that 1/4 inch seam. So these edges that you're not sewing together are actually going to be where we're going to put Velcro, so they're the back of the pants, so that we can fit them properly onto your new Now you're just going to sew those last 2 pieces. Now we're going to go ahead and just do a little fit test, see how it fits under nuiMOs. So I left this whole piece in the back here open, as you can see, and what I'm going to do is add some Velcro, but then also just stitch on that bottom piece there. So I'm going to stitch about halfway up, and then I'm going to put Velcro on that other half there. If you don't want to use Velcro to close the pants, you could also do something with snaps, or you could get Velcro that is actually sticky so you don't have to sew it on. I find that sewing the Velcro just makes it easier for me to do the stick-on. Velcro doesn't seem to work as great for me, so but work with it, see what works the best for you as well and what you're most comfortable using. Here is our final product of Donald in his cute little pants that we have. So I'm actually going to be making him a shirt, and I'm going to be recording that and putting that up on a separate video. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure that you subscribe and you check that video out as well. That will be coming soon. And if you want this pattern plus some other patterns that I have, they're all free on my blog. I'm going to link it all below so you can check it out. Make sure you're following me on Instagram for some really fun nuiMO pictures and things like that. And definitely, if you do use the pattern, tag me in your pictures, send me your pictures, whatever. I would love to see how it worked out for you guys. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you back soon.